How to create landing page for digital products. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely spectacular day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how we're going to be actually creating landing pages for various types of digital products that we have. So to obviously start things off, what we are going to want to be doing is we're going to create a promotional template for a landing page. So let's come over here and I'm going to write a landing page in my template section. And here it's going to give me different landing page designs. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now you get tons and tons of landing page designs over here, for minimalists, and you have a lot of them basically. So go ahead and choose a landing page you think would be good for your actual digital products. Your digital products could be anything ranging from NFTs to digital planners to digital art, whatever you want to showcase, you can. So let's say I'm going to showcase digital art in my case. So I'm going to go ahead and pick off this design over here because it has really good branding. It has good fonts, good coloring styles and everything. So once we're over here, so here's the general outlook of the landing page, right? Now, how are you going to create a landing page? First of all, you're going to choose the branding logo of the website you want to go with. So you could have any logo for your website. I'm going to go ahead and remove this from here. You can add your name in this section or you can add the logo. I'm going to first of all go ahead and add the logo. So I'm going to go into my uploads. I already have added a few logos for myself. So there we go. I'm just going to take this. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. I'm going to bring it up here and there we go. So that's, the logo for our website. Then here is where you can add your actual design. I'm going to remove this text from the back. Here is where you can add your actual art. So let's say I'm going to add this over here. Obviously this is the Starry Night, Vincent van Gogh, but you get the point. I'm just giving you an example. And once you add this, you can add in the actual details about this. So Starry Night, and then you can add the details about the Starry Night, how you created it, what inspired to create it. And obviously to fill the page in more, you can add in more conflicting designs, and you can even add different variations of this art. So let's say I'm gonna add this variation over here right beyond the shop now sign. Let's say I'm gonna add this here, and beyond the shop now sign, I could add a little body of text like also available. Okay, you can write that. Make this text a bit smaller. Bring it here. I'm gonna make it smaller. Come here, position this. There you go. Also available. You can obviously add a hyperlink to this. Hyperlink this to whatever page you are, selling this product on. And yeah, that's the general, very easy and simple idea of how you're going to create a landing page through a template, obviously. Now let me show you how you're going to create one totally from scratch. So what we're going to do over here is once you're in your template section, you could simply go ahead. Let's say, you know what, we have this design. I'm going to click on add page. And, let's say this is totally from scratch, okay? We have the basic white color. Let's go with a dark color in this. Let's go with a dark color scheme, shall we? So there we have our basic dark color. Now what you're going to start doing is you're going to add the basic icons. So let's go ahead. So these are your basic hyperlinks. I'm going to add home. I'm going to position it here. Then I'm going to copy paste and I'm going to bring this over here. This could be, your catalog. Just add your catalog over here. Then copy paste this. You can add this over here right beyond this. This could be your about. About. There we go. And then once you've added your about, again, I'm just going to add one more. Bring it to this side over here. And in this section, you can add something like help. Okay, this could be your help. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to choose all these fonts, and obviously all these fonts are of the same size. So I'm going to decrease their size, and I'm going to bring them all in unison to a bit to the left side. There we go. And then obviously on the right hand side, you can add some, let's say, user. I'm going to add the user icon. And as you can see, you get tons and tons of user icons over here. So I'm going to choose one of these. This one looks good. Obviously change the color of it to white. And once you've changed the color, adjust the size and bring this over here. There we go. So home, catalog, about, help, there's the user sign. Now you can first of all start off by adding your logo to the page, which I told you about. So I'm going to come into uploads and let me choose let's say this is my logo. Okay, just for an example, this is obviously the parental advisory thing, but let's say this is my logo and I'm going to add this right here. Now, once you've added this, what we're going to do from there is we're obviously going to start showcasing our designs, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Add this over here. Add the sublining text above it. Obviously, choose a good little font. So I'm going to go with this one. This one looks nice. And I'm going to delete, you know what? I'm going to keep that for the sub content. And here I'm going to write Starry Night. There we go. Obviously, I'm going to make sure that it's in unison. Make it smaller. And once you made it smaller and made sure that it's in one section, here's the text where you can, let's say, I'm just going to add, random text so I can just fill it in right now. And once I fill it in, let's see how it looks. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to take this specific text over here. I'm going to make it, obviously, I'm going to make it smaller so that it's much more visible. Put it up like this. And there we go. So here you have the Starry Night, or you can even just bring it over here if the description's not too long. And then you can add a shop button or buy now button. So how do you add a buy now button? Simply go over here. I'm going to write buy. And as you can see, you get all these buy buttons. So I'm going to add this button over here, which is my buy now button. So position this with your design, and there you go. So that's basically how you can create a landing page for your digital products in the easiest way. So Canva is a very diverse design and it helps you create anything and everything in the easiest way possible. So use it to its fullest and use all of its features. So yeah, basically that is how you're going to be creating a landing page for digital products in the easiest and most simplest way possible. Okay. And I'm just going to walk you through it all once again. Okay. Simply all you're going to need to do with this is you're going to go over to the, design section over here, choose, stuff like landing page or ad creative, whatever works best for you. And once you've gone from there, over here, you can just create the greatest looking landing pages for yourself. As you can see, I have these landing pages over here as well. This is a landing page widget that I created. I can come back to home and I have, obviously, this is the landing page that we just made. So, you can go ahead and create all these different types of landing pages. And look at this. This looks pretty nice, and you can make them look like this as well. So it gives us a pretty good idea of how we're going to work with all of this. So yeah, that's the general idea of landing pages and how you're going to create them for your digital products. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. And obviously I forgot to share. You're just going to click on share, click on download them as PNG, and obviously go ahead and add them to whatever website or whatever hyperlink you want to. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching all the way till the end, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.